Prime Fire. Introduction. Having a fireplace is no longer an unattainable dream. With the goal of creating a fireplace for easy assembly, Planika has designed Prime Fire. Prime Fire is a revolutionary built-in ethanol fireplace. Based on the patented BEV technology, it burns with absolutely no smoke, odor or ash. That gives the freedom of the product arrangement as no chimney or additional ventilation is required. It's only the matter of user's imagination if the product will be located in the wall or in a piece of furniture. Not to mention, Prime Fire appears as an extremely user-friendly fireplace. Applied communication panel allows not only to ignite the fire with a single button, but also to regulate the flame level. For maximum safety, the fireplace is provided with numerous sensors protecting against, for example, overheating or overflowing the device. Prime Fire is a perfect solution for everybody who dreams of hypnotizing atmosphere of flames in one's interior. Find more information about Prime Fire and applied technology on www.store.planikafires.com.